Hello family. Have you ever applied your skincare only for your skin to feel tight and dry again? An hour later, you are layering on hydrating serums and moisturizers, but that plump, dewy look just doesn't last. What if I told you there is a simple science-backed technique that can completely change your skin hydration level? It is called skin flooding. And today I'm breaking down exactly why it works and giving you my step by step morning ritual for that elusive all day glow. Let's get into it. To understand skin flooding, we first need to understand our skin barrier. Your outermost skin layer, the stratum corneum, is like your brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and lipids or fats are the mortar. But for this wall to be strong and flexible, it needs water. This is where skin flooding comes in. The technique is simple. You flood the skin with a humectant-based hydrator on damp skin, then immediately seal it in with a moisturizer and an occlusive. The magic happens in the timing. Applying a humectant to damp skin gives it a massive reservoir of surface water to pull into your skin cells, clumping them up. If you apply it to dry skin, it can actually pull moisture from the deeper layers of your skin, making dryness worse. Then, by immediately sealing it in with a moisturizer, you create a protective barrier that locks this newly absorbed water in a place all day. It is a one-two punch for hydration. Okay, science lesson is over. Let's get into the practical part. Here is my exact step-by-step morning ritual. You only need three types of products. Here is the steps. The first one, cleanse. First, a gentle cleanse. We are not trying to scrape the skin. We just want to remove overnight sweat and impurities. Use a lukewarm water, never hot, as it can damage the skin barrier. Step 2. The flood on the skin. This is the most critical step while your skin is still visible. Take your humectant serum. My favorite is a hyaluronic acid one, and press it into your skin. Don't rub, just press and pat. You are helping that serum bind with the water on your skin. The third one, the seal. Immediately. Don't wait for the serum to dry while your skin is still tacky and hydrated. Go in with your moisturizer. This layer acts as the seal, trapping all that goodness underneath. Step 4, the log. Sunscreen as an occlusive. Non-negotiable step, sunscreen. A good sunscreen is natural occlusive, meaning it forms a protective film that not only blocks UV ray but also protects locks in all the hydration we just built up. This is your shield for the day. And that's it. This entire process takes less than 60 seconds after cleansing. The result, skin that stays plump, hydrated and glowing for hours. Now, a quick troubleshooting tip. If you have a very oily skin, you might think you can skip this, but often oily skin is a result of hydration. Your skin overproduces oil to compensate for lack of water. This ritual can actually help balance your oil production. If you are on the oilier side, just use a lighter gel-based moisturizer. So that is the science and the steps behind my favorite glowing skin morning ritual. It is simple, it is effective, and it truly makes a difference. I want to know if you tried it. Leave a comment below and tell me about your experience. Did your skin feel more hydrated? Did your makeup apply better? Let me know. You enjoyed this blend of science and simple steps. Please give me this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content to help you get your best skin ever. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.